Everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sunny, and in today's video we are diving into the essential concept in Angular, which is dependency injection, and in short it is called DI. So we will cover what dependency injection is, why we use it, and how to implement it in Angular 19 using the standalone components. So make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest tutorials. So let's get started out. So first of all, we have to understand what is dependency injection. So dependency injection is a design pattern that allows a class to receive its dependencies from an external source rather than creating them itself. So it helps us write modular, testable, and maintainable code. Angular uses this DI to manage and inject services, making it a core feature of the framework. So now let's understand why should we use dependency injection. So it makes the components loosely coupled, it improves reusability, it makes unit testing easier, and it is more efficient to manage the resources. So alright, so now you know what is the basis of dependency injection and why it's important. So let's move to implementation. So in Angular dependency injection work through injectors. So first of all, let's understand what is an injector. So an injector is like a container that holds service instance and provide them whenever they are required. So Angular has a hierarchical injector system, which means child injector get uses services from their parent injectors. So this gives us a greater flexibility in managing dependencies. So now let's see how we can implement the dependency injection in Angular 19 with the standalone components. So first of all, we need a service. Actually, we already have implemented used this dependency injection in my application. So I'm not going to do the practical because if you remember, we already had created a service. So I'm just going to explain how dependency injection was used there and what it is exactly. So in the screen, you can see we have this logger service, which is a service, and how to create a service we already have learned it. Now if you look here, we use at the rate injectable to mark this class as a service and register it at the root level. This makes it available through the application. So you understood. At the rate, I'm explaining again, at the rate injectable, it will make the class as a service and provide in root, it will register it at the root level. So it means it will be available now. This service will be available throughout our application. Now let's see how we can use this in our standalone components. So if you are looking my screen, notice how we have injected the logo service in the constructor using the private keyword. So this is how Angular knows to inject a dependency, or this is a one of way to inject the dependency in the component. So now uh, if you are looking this button click is equal to say hello. Now when a user will click on this button, the say hello method logs a message using the service, and it's a very simple and effective way. So here this logger.log. So it means there is a method in my logger service which has been executed from here. Now this message is passed here as a string, and we are using console.log to so that we can see it in the browser's console. So guys, you can do it practically. I am not going to do it because I think I have already used these services. I already have explained it well before and done practically. So now we can understand what are the advantages of dependency injection in Angular 19. It provides us a global access by using the provide in route. The service becomes a singleton and can be accessed from anywhere. And the standalone components support Angular 19 fully support dependency injection in standalone components without needing to declare services in module. So automatic injection, Angular automatically injects dependencies as specified in the constructor, and there could be some mistakes as well when we are implemented it, when we implement it practically, and we have to take care of it like uh, these DI errors, like null injector error. It may happen if the service is not provided correctly. So we have to provide the service correctly. Dependency error, it may happen when two services depend on each other, and if Angular cannot find a provider for the service. So at the end, I would say DI makes Angular app modular, testable, maintainable. Services are injected into components and other services by the constructor, and we can use this at the rate inject table provide in root to make the service globally available, and it supports standalone components. So guys, if you think like I have helped you to understand dependency injection in Angular 19, and if you found this video to be useful, then please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question and want like specific topics covered, then please drop a comment. So see you in the next video. Happy coding. Thank you.